Guys, California Bass, and we're over here at my aunt's ranch pond, and so far I have one fish. Missed one. My brother missed the same exact fish I had on the bed. They're bedding right now, but it's really hard to see because of this rain that we just had. But they're spawning right now. We're just cruising the banks right now. And brother right there, he had about a, how big do you think? I was at least 3.
At least 3.
He had a follower come up about a pound and a half. So we'll get back to we catch any
The
fish.
day, guys, on the little jig. First one of the day. He got his fucking lure stuck. So get the release.
Sorry for not getting on camera, but my brother just got this little thing on the jig. What is that, bluegill color? Yeah. That's a decent one. Friggin', he was just swimming it in. Look at that 10-pounder.
That's a 10.
Alright, get the release on. Alright, we'll get back to you in this. Got this next bass, guys. Just got this little bass right here. Threw it right up to that tree. There's a point. Throwing jigs right here. Alright, get the release on him. Alright, we'll get back to you with some more.